Hey guys, welcome back to Fix It Gary, the leading DIY channel on YouTube right now, where we help lots of viewers with minimum or no experience take part in their own DIY projects and save them hundreds of dollars.
Prius V, and as you can see, the headlights are yellowish in color and hazy, and at night the light is not very bright, and so that we're just going to go ahead and sharper look so that when we're driving at night, it's illuminating much light as possible. Alright guys, so I have a kit that I'm going to show you in a second, and this is the other light on the driver's side. This is not too bad. You can see on the top it's a little hazy yellow in color. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the product, or the kit rather, that we purchased. Save some money by restoring your headlights to its original condition. Scooter fairly clear, and on the left you can barely tell there's someone in front. So obviously the results are very promising. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what this Meguiar's headlight restoration kit includes inside. Alright guys, this is a look at the polish from Meguiar's. So we're going to be using this 1000 grit sandpaper. So once everything is scratched up, and then this is a 3000 grit scratch pad, and then we're going to use this. So in front of us is this headlight coating. So guys, the headlight that you see here is the passenger side headlight, and I used the 1000 grit sandpaper, and I roughed up the surface. As you can see, it's kind of cloudy now, and I did it, I think, approximately twice, and that's how it looks like now. But after this, now we're going to use some polish, and then after the polish we're gonna use a do-rag or a microfiber towel to remove all or any residue that's left off after the polish. And then after that we're going to apply the headlight coating with the applicator sponge. Alright guys. Alright guys, this is your buffing pad, and in which we're going to use the Meguiar's polish, and it says to use a dime-sized amount of the polish, and it has this drill bit thing which you just put into your drill like so, and we're just going to go ahead and tighten it. This is the Plast-X Meguiar's polish. So side by side and have it overlap, and you don't want to press too hard on the base of the drill. And it says that the faster the speed, or the faster the RPM or the speed of this revolving drill, it's harder to maneuver.
We will continue providing viewers with new content. If anybody wants us to shoot a DIY video of your choice, please let us know in the comments. Guys, we would like you to be a part of our growing community on YouTube. And thanks for viewing our video. Subscribe, like, and share.